Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can add a drop-down menu when you use Shopify store. So first of all, if you're on desktop, what you're going to do is from your Shopify admin, you're going to go to content and then you're going to go to menus. Now click the name of your main menu, then choose one of the main menu items to be the header for your drop-down menu or add a new menu item to be the header. If you don't want the header to link to anything, then you can enter hashtag in the search or paste the link field for the header menu item. Now to add a menu item to include in the drop down menu, complete the following task. Firstly, click add menu item in the name field. Then enter a name for your menu item. In the search or paste the link field, enter or select a destination for your menu item. Then you're going to click add and then click and drag the menu item to nest it below the header menu item. Then you're going to click save menu. That's basically it. If this video helped you guys out, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.